Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out or sign out of one's account. If you've previously logged in with your one's account and you'd like to log out of your account for security reasons or whatever reasons, then all you need to do is to first open the website where you have previously logged into Ones on. To get to the website, type in ones.com in the URL box over here at the top. And once you get to this page, go to the upper right corner and simply click on the drop down right next to your name. Now in the expanded pop-up menu, to log out of your account, go all the way down and select the sign out button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log out of your One's account. So that's how it's easily done. Next time you log in, you'll need to enter your credentials correct and you will be able to access your account again. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.